everyone, welcome to Christine's Creations. How you guys doing today? So I wanted to say hi. I'm getting ready to do another Dutch pour. I am on a roll with Dutch pours right now. I have a number of canvases that are larger, and I think that Dutch pour is the best for larger canvases. It's very hard to do the Shelley art technique successfully for me on the big canvases. You guys already saw in the last video the 15 by 30 inch, and on this one I do a 12 by 36 inch, so skinnier and longer. And you know, I'm using the same colors, but I laid them differently, and it created the pattern to be a little bit darker because I didn't cover it up quite as much with the paint. And you guys will get to see all that, and it's coming up. I just wanted to say hello, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get down to the painting. So I'm using the same colors as the last video. On the background, I'm using Artist Loft Naples Yellow mixed with white to lighten it. And I put white flow acrylic in that for the top half of the background, and for the bottom half of the background is a mix. I went to the store to get more of that color because I didn't have enough to do the second painting, and they didn't have that exact color. So I got Basics Brilliant Yellow Green. This was, and mixed it with the yellow green I had in there. So it's pretty much the same color, and I lightened it. Yeah. So there's that. And then I have the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Basics Quinacridone Magenta. I thinned everything out. The last time I felt like it was a little bit thick, hard to blow around. This is Artist Loft Turquoise. I'm not sure which brand, but it's turquoise. And this is a mix of Golden Fluid Medium Yellow and Brilliant Yellow by Artist Loft to give it a little bit of a deeper yellow color. Oh, and this canvas is a little bit different size. It is a gallery wrap, so I've got to watch my edges. I already pre-painted it. All right, I've got my blow dryer and I am ready to roll. So let's go. God, this is so beautiful. Love this. I love the bright colors. I added a lot of water, but it still wound up with a beautiful result, and that's all that matters. And then as long as it dries good without cracking. And I did add a lot of gack, so it should be okay. Pretty confident it'll be okay. I just have to make it thinner next time. All right. I might mess with a couple of spots with my mouth just to get like a prettier design, but this is fantastic. I love that the dark teal and the pink mixed and made this beautiful purple shade. I did not add any purple, so that was just from a natural mix, and it's really, really, really pretty. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for notifications every time I come out with a new video. Okay, so here it is. I feel like the orientation is going to be hanging horizontally, this being the top and this being the bottom, like that. See if I can get it all. It's a long one, 36 inches. So let's just take it slow, long and narrow. So pretty. Okay, here we go. There's the bottom. Coming up to my favorite area, this center right here. Oh, so much delicious color. And right here, that's super pretty. right here. I just love pink and yellow together. And then crawling up the top. It's very wave-like. When I say wave-like, I mean like brightly colored coral, dancing in the sea. I might even name it something like colorful coral or something like that. Love this yellow-green background down here. Although the Naples yellow on this one, I didn't lighten it as much. I wish I did. I wish it was a little lighter, but it's okay. So, huge success today. Feeling really great about these two paintings. This one's still over here drying. I've got some resin drying here on my table, and I'm probably going to split these into two videos. This one just came out absolutely gorgeous. See how much lighter that is? I know they're not sitting side by side, but that Naples yellow, I really lightened it up to almost like a beigey color. So very beautiful, these two guys. And sneak preview, I guess, I might as well show you guys. These two tiles are so cute. And you guys are going to be seeing this video tomorrow, and then another couple swipes, little tiles. Yep, and I've got some rounds over here that I did. This one's got some butterflies on it. Butterflies. This one's got some hummingbirds on it. Hummingbirds. Yeah, those are really, really pretty. And I did a mint green frame. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in that yet. So there's everything drying on my table, and this is the star of the show. Awesome. I love it. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a wonderful So I decided to do a really high speed video on how I mix my pouring medium for a Dutch pour. So I have used Gluol, Floetrol, and GAC 800 and water. Okay, so you can see I'm mixing it up really in high speed there. Pretty much equal parts, maybe a little less than with the GAC 800. And then just, add water. So there's the pouring medium when you get started, and then you take the tube paint. I'm using all tube paint for this Dutch pour, and just open up I'm getting rid of a lot of like the end of the tube, so I wind up cutting a bunch in half and scooping out as much paint as I can in that turquoise color. And then it's a little too dark. I use the bigger cups for my background colors because I need more of that. That's what I'm mixing right now. And then I start adding more white to try to get that to a lighter color. I did kind of learn a quick lesson that instead of starting with your dark color and then lightening it, it's much easier to start with white and add your color and darken it. So yeah, if you want a light blue or a light color, start with white, add your pigments in until you get your desired, and because I wound up using way too much paint and wound up having way more than I needed. So that being said, I don't think I show everything, but then once you get to this point, it's all about adding water to get the thinness that you need. I didn't get it very thin like I'm gonna try for my next one, because hindsight is always 2020. I could have added more water, but the result came out so beautiful. It dried with no cracks, and it wound up being fine. And you know, when it's a little bit of a thicker paint, when you're doing a Dutch pour, it gives it a different look. So it's not a bad thing to go thicker, unless you have problems with cracking. So anyway, I did 2 of these with this exact same formula, and it dried fantastic. And then you can see there's some other colors that I mixed up in the same way, just a smaller amount. So I hope you guys learn from this for the beginners. I know a lot of people don't show how to mix, so I wanted to throw this in there for you guys. Okay, and then cover it until you're ready to use it. All right, let's get on with the painting.